Want to add an AI chatbot to your website without touching the website code? If your team uses Google Tag Manager, Borghive makes this easy with a ready-to-use GTM template. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Borghive website chatbot through Google Tag Manager, publish it on your website, and verify that everything works correctly. First, open the Integration section inside Borghive. Here, choose the website Chatbot Integration and open the Integration Guide. Borghive gives you multiple ways to install the chatbot, depending on how your website is built, like adding the script directly to your website using the WordPress plugin or installing it through Google Tag Manager. For this video, we'll use the Google Tag Manager method. This method is useful when your marketing or development team already manages website scripts through GTM. Start by downloading the provided GTM template file. We'll import this file into Google Tag Manager so GTM knows how to load the Borghive chatbot correctly. Now open your Google Tag Manager account. From the left menu, go to Templates, then open Tag Templates. Click New. Now, from the left side menu, choose Import. Select the template file you downloaded from Borghive. Once the template is imported, save it. Now the Borghive chatbot template is available inside your Google Tag Manager workspace. Next, we'll create the actual tag that loads the chatbot on your website. Go to Tags and click New. Now choose the Borghive website chatbot template. Here, add your chatbot ID from Borghive. This tells the template which chatbot should appear on your website. Then, choose when the chatbot should load. In most cases, you'll use the All Pages trigger so the chatbot is available across your entire website. Save the tag, then submit and publish your Google Tag Manager changes. Now, let's verify the installation. Open your website and check if the chatbot button appears on the page. If the chatbot opens and responds correctly, the Google Tag Manager integration is working. Your Borghive chatbot is now live on your website through Google Tag Manager.
Borghive. Deploy intelligent AI agents anywhere.